Today, we will be taking a look at the Google Smart Light Starter Kit, so stay tuned. The Google Smart Light Starter Kit retails for $55 and comes with the Google Home Mini and a GE C-Life Smart Bulb. The Google Home Mini retails for $50, so you're essentially getting the Smart Bulb for only $5, making this a great value. As we open the box, we find a Let's Get Started card, the GE bulb, and the Google Home Mini. Inside the Google Home Mini box, we find the Mini, setup guide, and AC power adapter. We'll get started setting up the Mini. After you plug in the Mini, you'll see 4 lights on top letting you know the Mini's on. Next, you'll need to download the Google Home app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you'll select the Google account you want associated with your Google Home. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one at this time. Then, you'll create a home and name it if you don't already have one. Your Google Home app will look for your Google Home Mini device. Once it finds the device, you'll select where the device is located. You'll then connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Next, you'll set up the Google Assistant to recognize your voice and select your assistant's voice. Then, if you choose, you can add your address and any media services you may have. Next, you'll set up your smart light. Select Yes, then install the bulb into your fixture. Then, turn on the light so Google Home app can find it. You'll select the room it's located in and name the bulb. Then, Google Home will pair the bulb and blink a few times. Once your devices are ready, you can test them out. Hey Google, turn off the office light.
You got it, turning off the light.
Hey Google, turn on office light.
Okay, turning the light on.
Now let's go to the home screen on your Google Home app. As you can see, you can turn the light on and off from this screen. If you select the light icon, you can dim the light as well. Overall, I'd highly recommend this kit for someone looking to get started with their smart home and home automation. Setup is extremely simple, and I really like the GE Smart Bulb. It pairs easily and it's very responsive. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And also, please subscribe to my channel and join the notification squad so you always know when videos are uploaded to my channel. Thanks again for watching.